So we made this video to talk about something that's very important. And the most important part for animal lovers are who have purchased their new puppy or adult dog or adopted one, is they all want to have some type of control over their dog. And that's very important to have control over the dog, because it's all about animal care and control. This is one of my newest breedings. It's my little special puppy. One of those gladiators. This is what a Vanguardian puppy looks like when it's little. It's the only one I had like this year, so he's not for sale. This is a purple. This is Kodak's. This is Kodak's son. Purples like this I normally charge $10,000 for. So we're going to care for our animals, and we want to try to control them, their behaviors. But there's a big secret that no one seems to know when it comes to having complete control while caring for your animals. So that big secret is what we're here to do to make this video today, to share with you guys about the big secret that dog trainers don't want you to know on how to train your dog and how to control them. So I'm going to just give it to you and let you have it raw, instead of just trailing you along, tagging you along, dragging it out. The biggest secret to controlling any animal, no matter what the genetics is having a relationship. The big secret is too many of you are too busy to have a relationship with your dog and able to control him. Dog trainers don't want you to know this, is because they help you build a relationship with your dog, and that is how you get control. But when we're working, have a job, or we're in some type of relationship, or we're married, or just dating, or you're very in tune to your social life, and you're not spending time with your animal, then you're not building the relationship.
When it comes to building a relationship with dogs, it is very easy for us who love dogs more than we love humans to say, well, it's true. Without trust, you have nothing when it comes to relationships. At Vanguard, we dedicate ourselves to providing free consulting to our clients to make their great dog even greater.
You're not building the relationship. So in order to get a relationship with a dog, is you consistently every day go out here, walk with your dog, let your dog make mistakes, train your dog. You know what makes him happy, what makes him sad. You understand everything about his behaviors when he's going to do it. Now you can create a system where you can control your dog because you built the relationship with him of understanding. This is my puppy Shaka, and we spend a lot of time out here training and playing games, but it's also about building a relationship. No, Shaka, Asi, yes, good boy. Couché, yes, good boy. Shaka, Asi, yes, good boy.
If you're looking for your new best friend, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and dial 904-450-3339. We're VanguardK9.com. Your leaders were some of the world's greatest working puppies and the world's greatest working friends.